This is the elevator at the Life Sciences building at the University of Pittsburgh at Greensburg in Greensburg area, Pennsylvania. This is a Schindler 3100 from 2022. Number 2, area lock. It's the newest building and elevator on the campus. Here are 2. Back on the 1. It's a basic Schindler cab. Has that kind of tile floor though, which is common. It's probably custom, kind of like a pit color. It also has the lighting on the sides, which I wasn't expecting, and that must be custom. I don't think that's certainly an option for 31 and 3300 here. Back on 1. There's the A.O. Smith Science building, and they're closing that yet.